Crypto specialists accept that Cardano cost will increment in esteem over the long run. This is to be sure a decent technique that can make you cash by purchasing and holding Cardano token. Cardano has been gaining huge headway in the beyond 2 years. This progress sees ADA recover highs that were lost in 2018, setting a way for a vertical pattern. Be that as it may, with Bitcoin and Ethereum making extraordinary transformations, what influence does Cardano have over these two most important digital forms of money in making you rich? Rich is relative. In any case, you would concur that a speculation that ensures a 10 times return is sufficient to make anybody rich. Presently, ADA is inside the district of $1.02. A cost locale it is anticipated to outperform toward the finish of 2022. Cardano's outline is established in Ethereum, and to this end some crypto specialists moniker it as Ethereum's younger sibling. Charles Hoskinson is the head of Cardano and one of the fellow benefactors of Ethereum. You are probably going to see a comparable theme in Cardano and Ethereum, and this supports the open doors you can investigate in Cardano as an early adopter and financial backer. Cardano resembles another opportunity at Ethereum in a lower valued coin. It can possibly outperform even $5 in the closest future. In any case, Cardano is gauged to reach $5 level in 2025. That is presumably why we are currently getting questions like, will Cardano make me rich? On the off chance that you are among individuals posing this inquiry, read ahead. We will offer you the response you are searching for. Cardano could make financial backers extremely rich. A few reasons show that it is areas of strength for an ADA's cost could encounter an immense development soon. Subject matter authorities agree. Cardano is incredibly liable to hit $2.8 toward the finish of 2022, $3.6 toward the finish of 2023, $3.7 toward the finish of 2024, and an amazing $5 toward the finish of 2025. Will Cardano ultimately reach $100? You can anticipate that ADA should reach $100 over the long haul, since it continues in the impressions of Ethereum. ADA and ETH are very much like undertakings yet so unique. While Ethereum advances a shut framework, where you have restricted choices and more details, Cardano is a decentralized organization. You needn't bother with to be a specialist to investigate the Cardano environment. This deciphers that Cardano is probably going to assemble its client base quicker, given it takes the smart actions, and the forecasts so far assert Cardano's ascent in the crypto market. You really want to comprehend that Cardano challenges Ethereum. While this can go south and end up being terrible for Cardano, it very well may be a solid contest that the two undertakings benefit from incredibly. Up until this point, things are inclining towards the last option. The compelling and jar organization of Ethereum gives a psychological image of what Cardano can accomplish, and this projection ought to get you energized as a planned financial backer. Ethereum's organization is powerful to the point that designers have next to zero decision yet to utilize its biological system. If, under any circumstance, it is its organization of clients, there is plausible that you might have, eventually, introduced meta undertaking on your PC, or heard or utilized ERC20 tokens. Utilizing Ethereum's organization is admittance to numerous clients are as of now acquainted with the organization. It makes it simpler for them to take on and utilize any undertaking, an unmistakable element of Ethereum. Cardano fights this. Cardano needs to bait Ethereum clients into its organization by offering a decentralized organization, one that is reputed to be the most decentralized network in the crypto market yet. With this going for Cardano ADA, and the ongoing cost of Ethereum at more than $2,000, the cost of Cardano could come to the $100 level and ought not be difficult to achieve. Where will Cardano be in 5 years? The following 5 years for Cardano are promising. Cardano is into a few tasks that won't just rethink its spot in the crypto market, yet in addition set new highs in cost, notwithstanding the defer in the execution of a portion of its undertakings. ADA is as yet one of the top choices to rule the crypto space proceeding. When a venture is sent off, it turns out to be difficult to address blunders, which could without much of a stretch interpret as unfortunate use case costing engineers cash, time, and the whole task itself. To this end, delays are not signs that a venture will come up short. Now and again, it implies it is very much arranged. One undertaking still in progress for Cardano is the Gauguin principal net, part of which, the Alonzo hard fork, was sent off in September was year. With its send-off now, clients can make brilliant agreements on the mainnet, a period that resolution draw Cardano a stage nearer to its older sibling Ethereum. Assuming you know all about Ethereum, you will see that it has one of the most incredible use cases, the capacity to send off brilliant agreements on top of Ethereum. a characteristic that makes Ethereum exceptionally helpful. This is obvious in the D5 promotion of 2020, where many individuals assembled dApps on top of the Ethereum organization, making complex monetary instruments on the blockchain kindness of its brilliant agreements. The Alonzo redesign set off the last value run of ADA. The following updates are supposed to have a similar positive impact. Then, the cost of ADA will be relentless, legitimizing its ability to outperform $5 and even $15 in cost. Where will Cardano be in 10 years? Trading Beast predicts that the cost of Cardano will go somewhere in the range of $5 and $10 in the following 10 years. This pattern shows a sluggish yet consistent vertical movement for ADA. At the point when you fundamentally analyze the Gauguin principle net instinct of Cardano, you can expect this container of pattern. All the more thus, Cardano advances an open and decentralized network that wouldn't need any degree of skill to investigate. This, by suggestion, implies space for assorted clients. The more clients you have on an organization, the more the limit of that organization develops. Ethereum is hard evidence. You ought to expect a hazardous rise of tasks utilizing Gauguin inside the Cardano environment in decade, and, obviously, a comparable cost bounce. Peruse moreover, could Cardano be a mogul creator coin? Is Cardano a decent long-haul venture? Crypto financial backers and specialists accept that Cardano will increment in esteem over the long run. This is to be sure a decent strategy that could make you cash by purchasing and holding Cardano. There are various motivations to legitimize why Cardano is a wise venture. It has a ton of ventures added to its repertoire, and these improvements make a coin alluring to financial backers. Caught wind of the Marlowe Jungle Gym, a particular reason language for monetary agreements on Cardano. It permits contacts to be written in a language of money as opposed to a broadly useful language on the blockchain. Marlowe guarantees a more secure and idiot-proof monetary agreement anybody can abstractly investigate. However, at that point, how does Marlowe Jungle Gym make ADA a decent long-haul venture? Mass reception. Marlowe guarantees convenience. A simple-to-utilize project brings mass reception of a coin. The more clients you have on an organization, the more the organization develops. Clients are determinants of how helpful an undertaking is or alternately will be for a financial backer. The selling point of Cardano is force and reception. It was close to difficult to move individuals to relocate away from the Ethereum environment. Today, nonetheless, we keep on seeing splendid ventures and drives challenge the Ethereum organization. TRC presently brags of additional exchanges than the ERC20 organization. It is inevitable, and Cardano could solidify its position in the crypto space right close to Ethereum artistically. Would it be advisable for me to purchase ADA? Cardano is certainly worth the consideration with regards to putting resources into the crypto market. It actually has far to go. This moment, it is scarcely most of the way to its actual possible in cost, use case, and worth. As of late, Charles Hoskinson alluded to an ERC20 converter in progress. This is significant influence on the grounds that Cardano plans to draw Ethereum clients to its organization. An ERC20 converter is a shrewd move.